What's up, Pokemaniacs? This is the Pokemaniacs channel. We got some cards to open today. Let's check them out. All right, today we got some Shining Fates. Oh yeah. Let's check it out. Oh, we got the Boltund. Ooh, that one. Let's see here. We got Eldegoss, Boltund, and Cramorant.
Those are the tins we got.
Yes.
And it's nice, these tins come with 6 packs these days.
Yeah, as you can see here on the back, that's 6 boosters. Cramorant, there's the Eldegoss, Boltund.
We'll be opening 12 in this opening.
Got Cramorant.
Cramorant and Boltund.
Alright.
We're gonna do a flip.
Alright, and we're gonna flip to see who opens their pack first.
We're gonna do a pack battle.
Alright, he's got Galarian Sirfetch'd. I'll have the Pokeball. Let's see what happens. Ooh. Out of the camera view. I'm open mine first. Let's go. Cramorant, the shiny comes with it. Let's go.
Opening mine on
Very nice.
It's nice that these card packs come with shinies already, so you're guaranteed a shiny if you don't get one of the card packs.
Yeah, it is a Black Star promo, but still really nice. Show you him close up. Here.
Boltund V, such a pretty card. Look at that.
Very nice. Let's see in this pack. 6 boosters.
6 boosters.
Alright, mine has a Charizard. Unsure of this guy. Look at that. Ooh, another Charizard art. And since I won the flip, I'll open first. Let's go. Oh, they're all white cards, I believe.
Card doesn't matter anymore.
Alrighty. I believe it's still 4 cards.
Yep.
Alrighty. I'm gonna say Grass Energy.
Fire.
Electric. Luxio. Gym Trainer. Thwacky. Horsey. Spinarak. Rowlet. More Pico. Wow, very cool. 2 other Pokemon in the back there. Nickit. Ditto V shiny full art. Let's go.
That is beautiful.
Wow.
Wow.
And a Zarude to finish it off. But look at that. Wow. Let's check the centering on the back. Wow, looks very nice. I'll go ahead and penny sleeve that guy right now. Wow, first pack. Nice. Alrighty.
That, guys. For our first pack, we got this crazy guy. Let's see what we can pull, y'all.
A few moments later.
Any day now, Grandpa.
Yeah, if I had my nails, this would be a lot easier. There we go.
showing the Pokemon cards already.
Oh yeah. White code card doesn't mean anything. There is the code card for you online gamers. Beautiful. Or
What's your guess?
I'm guessing fire, my favorite.
I'll say metal. Let's go. Let's see. Oh,
Psychic. Alrighty. Energy. Tropios. Gym trainers. Floral. Trapinch. Sneaks. Rowlet. Eevee. Very nice.
Oh, got the same
More
work.
Pico. VMAX. Toxicity.
VMAX.
Wow.
First pack for him.
Oh, and another Zerud.
Yeah.
Thank you. Let's leave this, baby.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Full art VMAX.
That out.
Look at that, guys. Look how pretty that looks. Wow. And look for the centering. Flawless.
Wow. Alrighty. Very
Next
nice
up is
pulls so
what's-
far.
What's so?
I'm not quite a grandpa, so I can open these things.
Oh, wow.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, it's my pack, so I guess first. Water.
Electric.
Fire. Oh, man. Lexio. Gym trainer again. Wacky. Yanma. Oh, a different Mork Pico. Look at that.
Oh, two different ones of the same card.
Same set. Weird. Very cool though. Ah, Choodle. Too cute. Chewing on a cattail. Oh, I got the Eevee now too. Horsey. Ah, reverse hollow Eldegoss. No shiny on that one. Last one. Ah, Volcanion non-holographic. All good. Alright, alright.
Let's see if I can
You're
come up,
up
guys.
next.
We're gonna open another one of these babies. Alright. Here's that. There's the code. 2, 3, and 4. Fire.
I'll say metal.
Grass.
Throw this guy up here.
Oh.
Boatsole. Wacky.
Mm-hmm.
Rotom.
Oh, look at that.
Chillin'.
Yanma. Trapinch. Nickit. Gus. Oh, blah, blah, blah. Oh, sweet baby. Lapras V Shiny.
Full art.
Full art.
Oh,
And
goodness.
not a double banger.
Dreadnought.
But Dreadnought.
Sleeve that bad boy.
Leave this boy. I think I'm winning so far, y'all.
Two shiny full arts in a row.
In the Bolton package.
Since I got two of these Charizard art packs, I'll go ahead and start with one of them. Alrighty. right, my guess is fighting.
Electric.
Fighting, let's go. All right. Float soul. Tropius. Wow, very cool.
Look, reach for the stars.
Gym trainer. Cacnea. That's a new one today. Another Shinx. Nickit. Rowlet, very cool. Starter. Trapinch. Oh, nice.
Very nice.
Denny. Shiny, let's go. Oh, and a Desudunai. Okay, whatever. But a shiny Denny.
Very nice.
Let's go. Let's leave that guy.
Oh, it looks like the both of them are still winning.
With your full art. Alrighty.
Not full art.
Go ahead there.
We're gonna do the silly looking frog.
Real quick. Didn't realize this was a hollow.
Oh, look at that.
Still cool.
How
Alright.
dare you?
Showing the cards already.
Hey. And there's a cold dog. And fire.
Water.
Electric. Alrighty, guys. Bum, bum, bum. Ooh, rusted
Wow.
sword. Very nice. Elder Goss. Shinx. Ooh, that's a nice looking coffin.
Very cool. On the train
Dark
tracks.
too. Look at that. Trapinch. Rowlet. Ooh, versus Bossosaurus.
His hair looks crazy.
Last card.
Oh.
I'm still winning.
Just gonna save your reverse.
I suppose we'll sweep this boss
Boss's order. Alright, I'm up. Do this guy next. Boom. Four. I'll say electric this time. Psychic. We are not psychic. Oh, I got rusted shield. You had rusted sword. Look at that. Elder Goss again. Tropius. Rookie. Alright. Another starter. Trapinch. Yanma. Coffee. Morpeko. Cool. Sounds really cool. Oh, alright. Rowlet, reverse hollow. Still cool. Last. Oh, boss's order, non-hollow. Alrighty.
We're gonna open this funny looking frog. And there's the cold card for all you gamers. Four cards and energy electric.
I'll go grass.
Steel. Okay. Hello. How are you? Where's my Charizard? Where are you Oh, yes!
So another
Very
Morpeko. They have a
Morpeko
shiny
looking
one.
Pretty.
Wow.
And
What is it?
oh,
Still another full wire, though.
double banger. What? Yes, yes. Sleeve these. I gotta say, guys, I don't know if he can catch up.
Gosh.
Yeah, boy.
Hey, that reverse hollow over there doesn't count.
Oh, really? Alrighty, let's give him one more chance. Oh wait, you got a few more.
Let's go. Come on, Bulba. You're the man. Second to last pack for me. We both have 2 packs. Let's go. I'm gonna pull the Charizard. Shiny Charizard VMAX. Let's go.
Don't make me laugh.
Alright. I'm going water this time.
Steel.
Water! Let's go!
Pat on the wheel.
Haha. Ooh, Cramorant. My 10. Let's go. Tropius once again. Rotom.
Once again.
All day with these two. Trapinch.
Another one of those.
I think that's my first one though.
I can have some. You can have some nice.
Shinx. Alright! Galarian Weezing shiny!
Legit.
Oh gosh, too cool.
And for the final.
Ah, Yanmega, non-hollow. But let's look at this guy real quick.
Very nice. I
Wow.
don't think he caught up yet, but it was very nice card.
Centering is beautiful. Definitely sleeving this guy. Alright. I gotta start stacking too.
Come on, Pokemaniacs. TankWill back. Let's show them from the same artwork that we can pull the Charizard. There's the code card. Four cards, and I'm gonna say fire.
Psychic. Ah!
Oh yes, yes, yes. Good sign.
It's a sign, huh?
Oh, there's the ball guy. All right. Let's do this. Hello again, Trapinch. Hello, Nickit. Hello. Reverse hollow. And oh,
Ultra rare at least.
all right. Crobat V.
Very cool.
Just that one. Crobat back again. Guys, I think I might win this. Let's see what you got for your last one.
Alright, last pack each. Of course, save the Charizard. Shiny VMAX pack for last. Let's pull it on this pack. Alright. Let's see. I'm gonna say... What did I not say yet? I'll say fire. Metal. Oh, coming up far, let's see. Rusted Shield. Focus. Eldegoss. Tropius. Another Eevee. goes for days. Toodle. Nicket. Brookie. Come on, shiny. Ah, Rusted Shield for my reverse holo. Last card. Ah, indeed, it is a holo.
Wah, wah, wah.
All right.
Raise the buzzer. All right, y'all. This is it. This will be the pack to rule them all. There's the code card. All right, y'all. Here we go. Water.
Electric.
Boom. Fighting. Team Yell Towel. Rotom. Rusted Shield. Moselle. Nicket. An elephant.
Another shiny. Rookie D.
And oh,
Evil Hollow.
I gotta say, y'all, I'm pretty sure I won this round.
Good stuff, folks. Alrighty, well, let's check these out here. We got D. Denny, the Promo Cramorant, the Galarian Wheezing Shiny, the Ditto Shiny V, Toxtricity V Max, All Creamy V, Full Art, more Pico Shiny. You got something hiding back there? Oh yes, wow, the Lapras V Shiny, Full Art. Get that out of my face. Boltund Promo, Crobat V, Ultra Rare, and of course the Rookie D Shiny to finish it off. Alrighty.
If you guys want chance to buy, make sure you get the
Shining Fates.
Fates.
Go ahead and check the Discord. We have a Discord channel. Should have a link in the description. Alrighty. Peace, y'all.
Adios.